Hey guys, welcome back to the mill. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I got to deal with this stuff today before we get more milling going here. I have a handful of slabs here that I just need to get out of here because I need to move this rack a little bit. It seems to be in my way here. You know, as you go through this milling process and learning how to use your mill, which I'm learning, you're going to see a video coming up Tuesday that I make a few mistakes in, but you're trying to stay organized and get more organized as you go, put things in different spots. And this was fine when I had my extensions not on the mill, when I just had the mill at its standard length. But once I put the extensions on, this isn't where I need it to be. So I think I either need to move it down or move it back. So I'm gonna get these cut up for firewood because I think it's April 20th and we're still burning firewood. So let's get this cut up. I'll get it thrown in the trailer there. And we'll burn this for the remainder of the spring. Here in Michigan, a lot of us have outdoor boilers, and that's what I have. We can burn about anything of them things. Obviously, drier the better. But this stuff burns pretty well, and it just adds to it. Now, I did get all my wood cut for next year. A couple weeks ago, I put up 20 cord, 20 full cord in my wood room. And so I'm ready for next year, but now I'm starting to burn into that. Usually I'm done burning by now. We usually have our 60s and 70s, and I understand that's coming next week. Just in time for gardening season in May. So I'm gonna get these cut up and throw it in the trailer. I'm going to use my steel 441, MS 441. The blade's not super sharp on it, or the chain I should say is not sharp on it. It's sharp, it's going to cut fine, but it's either that or I'll use a 362 if this doesn't cut well. Get this started, warmed up, grab my hearing protection, eye protection, and let's get this going. That saw's too dull.